I am happy that my CryptoQ media channel is back online. Considers XRP to be very valuable. As the old saying goes, invest where the smart people are, and XRP certainly fits that description. The potential for new XRPL to break ground, Brad Garlinghouse's position on the 125 million payout, and Arrow USD are all very interesting. In this daily digest, you will find all the most recent XRP news. Let's dive in, and before we do, please subscribe and like the video. Therefore, I will once again say goodbye. Ripple Labs' announcement or letter to the SEC about their complaint is this. This is related to the 125 million payment that is expected to clear in the coming days. Curiously, payment wasn't due until 30 days following the initial result. To put it simply, Ripple is essentially declaring that they will pay the 125 million penalty. The sum in question is acceptable to us, nevertheless, we shall withhold payment until the appeal period has passed, after which the SEC will lose the right to pursue an appeal and recover the corresponding funds. I know not everyone here will agree, but that is unfair. Their actions beg the question, what could possibly drive them? What is the SEC? Indeed, it is correct. After suing Uniswap and Coinbase, they are suing Kraken again. They should sue someone now. Since Ripple now has an additional layer of protection, I think this is a fantastic move. And it's based on the reality that they couldn't have prevented the appeal from passing anyway. Ultimately, you will require 120 million. Gary Gensler, you don't exude any charm. It was done in an instant. Amazingly perceptive. I think that achieves the objective that we have all been talking about for the last several weeks. XRP will be released, and the market will follow suit, if the SEC does not file an appeal. If I had to guess, I'd say we're moving quite a bit. Receiving and validating this update through the courts was, therefore, an excellent decision. Important beyond measure. After that, Brad Garlinghouse gave his opinion on the RLUSD. The launch of Ripple USD, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, is almost here, according to Brad Garlinghouse, who delivered a massive update at the Korean Blockchain Week in Seoul. The 120 million deal with the SEC is final, and word on the street is that RLUSD is about to be released. How practical! It is expected to be distributed to the public in the future weeks, not months, as it is now in private, closed beta. Citing this is essential, in my opinion. On top of that, it's going after the stablecoin market, which might be huge. The system's foundation coins, USDC and USDT, aren't the only great stablecoins out there. Once again, the XRP currency's backing gives the stablecoin USD linked to the MakerDAO program RL a chance to shift the game. You won't believe what happens next when talking XRP and XRPL. Important news, XRPL will now be able to work with Ethereum smart contracts. It unlocks a plethora of programming opportunities. In yesterday's update video, I touched on the fact that XRPL now offers everything that Ethereum does. When it comes to grids, financial institutions, networks, and institutions, this functionality is absolutely crucial. Also, unlike the Ethereum chain, XRPL allows users to revert transactions if they change their minds. Its location is unknown to me. Superb in the banking and insurance sector. Indeed, it is correct. There have been innumerable transactions. Recently, Crypto.com sued the couple to whom it had given over 100 million and seen how they used the money. Totally bonkers. Institutions, banks, and individuals alike would all gain from this extra layer of protection when using XRPL for financial transactions. This is fantastic news since, in my opinion, it is all very current and pertinent, which is in line with the SEC appeal. It appears like XRP is a very bullish investment once again. Like everyone else has warned me, the price isn't going down. Why isn't it self-destructing? My recent outbursts of speech are reminiscent of the old proverb, being patient pays off in the end. Now, XRP has kept us waiting for much too long, and it really must take action. It will eventually be useless. Seriously, though. I am at a loss for words if you believe that Ripple and XRP are out to fleece the community. Sure, I could see that working. Everything is in harmony right now, from partnerships and enterprises to financial districts and firms, and I'm not even claiming it isn't. This is because the necessary resources to launch Ripple are now at our fingertips. In my opinion, we could expect to see additional ripple effects in the next weeks and months as the bull market gets closer and market excitement grows. It is critical, in my opinion, to analyze the price action while it remains within this range. We went over this again and again, this time with the 200 EMA in mind. Bitcoin had a nice little move the day after yesterday's big drop, increasing about 1%. It is still trading well within this channel as we get closer to the fair. Rate reductions could be possible as of September 18th. The result will be observed. If XRP could begin to recover, it would be fantastic. You will be charged 5,657 cents for one Ruby retest. The 50-day regimen must be resumed by you, Ray. Contains the simple moving average as well. Nevertheless, RSI divergence can soon become green as we start a new day. There are several encouraging indicators in the market. XRP is conducting itself normally. That you took the time to watch my video is truly appreciated. Please subscribe and like my channel before I end this.